Hey there, Money Masters! Are you ready to unlock the secrets to a wealthier life? Today, we're diving deep into the transformative power of a money mindset makeover. Picture this. You wake up every morning feeling confident, empowered, and ready to conquer your financial goals. No more stressing over bills or living paycheck to paycheck. Instead, you're attracting abundance effortlessly, and your wallet is overflowing with prosperity. But how do you get there? It all starts with your mindset. By rewiring your thoughts and beliefs about money, you can literally change your financial reality. Say goodbye to scarcity mentality and hello to a mindset of abundance. In this YouTube short, we'll uncover the key principles of a money mindset makeover and show you how to implement them in your daily life. From affirmations to visualization techniques, we've got everything you need to start transforming your wallet and your life today. So if you're ready to break free from financial limitations and step into a world of endless possibility, then this video is for you. Get ready to revolutionize your relationship with money and watch the magic unfold.